Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire. In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to do a screenshot of a page that doesn't fit on the screen. We're in our Wealth Step-by-Step back office, and our downline is getting so large that it won't fit on the screen, and it's going to get twice as long as this in the future. So we want a screenshot of just this chart. So we're going to take a screenshot and we're going to crop the chart out of it, and we're going to host the image, and I'm going to show you how to do those three things. Okay, so we're in Google Chrome, and up in the upper right hand corner there's three dots, which is a menu. Under this menu, look for More Tools, Developer Tools. That'll open a development section, and in there's another menu. You click on that and you click on Run Command. The command prompt comes up, you type in screenshot, and it gives you four options. We're going to do a full screenshot. You click on that, it does it right away. A save window will pop up, you give it a name. I'm going to call this test because I've already done it, and you save it. So now it's sitting on your computer and it's the full page. So now we're going to crop the chart out of it. We just want the chart. So we use Lunapic. You can go to lunapic.com. This is an awesome photo editor. You can just see the menu, the stuff you can do. It's crazy. But we're going to upload this. All we're interested in today is cropping it and saving it and hosting it. So we're going to upload this test file that we made. There it is. Ba-boom. And we want to crop it. Okay, it has different areas, you know, shapes that you can do. We're not interested in that. We're going to just drag the corners and make it where we want it. So we want just the chart area, like so. And at the bottom, I want it to go all the way down here. Crop image. There it is. So you can't leave it here, so you have to save it. So we're going to go save image. Look at all the stuff you can do. Another cool thing about Lunapic, you can change the file format. We save it as a JPG. So I'm just going to rename this test. The first test was a PNG. This is going to be a JPG. So test. Ta-da. Okay, so now it's sitting on your computer. If you want to go to it, an image has to be hosted. If you want to put it, embed it on your website or whatever. So we use this to host. This is called IMGUR. You just go to imgur.com, sign up for a free account. These are the images I have. You can see I did that already this morning. You add an image. You can browse to find it. You can paste the URL. We don't have one, that's why we're doing it here. So you browse for the image. There's the test one that we cropped. Boom, there it is. Okay, you click on it. There's the link. Cool or what? Copy the link. Now you have a URL for your image. There it is. Let me get rid of this. Okay, and if you click on it, see the little zoom magnifying glass? That's the actual size. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.